Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start types of resources. There are three types as natural resources, human resources, and human-made resources. Number one, natural resources which are made and available by nature only, like air, water, and soils. These all are very important. Human resources are made and developed by themselves only. Gradually, they increase their knowledge and skill. Then they become resources like teachers, doctors. Human made resources are made and available by human with the use of knowledge and technology like roads and bridges. Types of natural resources depend upon many bases. Number one, level of development and their use, like actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources of which quantity is known and being used in present, like coal available in Damodar region and petroleum in Western Asia. Potential resources of which quantity is unknown and presently not being used too. Example, uranium available in Ladakh region of India. Second one, basis of origin of resources are classified into two, biotic resources and abiotic resources. Resources having life are called living resources like plants and animals. Abiotic resources are there without life or called non-living resources like soils and minerals. They are also very important. Third one, the basis of exhaustibility. Resources can also be classified into two. Number one, renewable resources. Number two, non-renewable resources. Resources which are generally renewed by nature like wind and forest, and non-renewable resources are generally not renewed like coal and petroleum available anywhere, finished once, finished forever. Fourth one, basis of distribution. Resources again are classified into two. Number one, ubiquitous resources, and number two, localized resources. Ubiquitous resources are available everywhere like air, wind, and water, whereas localized resources are available by nature in certain places like copper and iron ore are found in mines or in reserves underground or on surface. Fifth one, basis of a stock which has no class at all. Resources are available for use when time and technology change, like water is to be separated into hydrogen and oxygen at commercial level. Presently, we can separate water into these two forms, but at commercial level we can't, as we don't have appropriate technology. Hence, they are kept under stock. Homework, dear children, learn and understand the notes given above and ask me problems if any. Next and last video you will have of this chapter on conservation of resources. Thanks and have a blissful day ahead.